Hello, students. Once again, you are most welcome here. In this video, this time I'm going to explain you some MCQ questions for class 10 English Footprints Without Feet, chapter first, a triumph of surgery with answers. Let's see. Question number 1. Why is the narrator tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest? Because he loved Tricky. He thought Mrs. Pumphrey wouldn't take good care of Tricky. They would lose all luxuries like eggs, wine, and brandy, and none of the above. Okay, so let's see आपको यहाँ पे आंसर करना है कि क्यों ट्रिकी को ये लोग परमानेंट गेस्ट बना के रखना चाहते थे। तो आपको मालूम है कि मिसेस पम्फ्री इतना कुछ भेजती थी हॉस्पिटल पे कि उसका सारा इंजॉय डॉक्टर और उसका स्टाफ करता था, इसलिए वे उसे अपना परमानेंट गेस्ट बनाना चाहते थे। सो यू कैन आंसर हियर आंसर नंबर सी, दे वुड lose all luxuries like eggs, wine, and brandy. So answer number C is correct here. Now you see question number 2. Was Tricky happy on seeing Mrs. Pumpkin? Yes, no, maybe. She showed no emotion. This is very easy for you. Its answer is yes. Its answer is yes. Yes, Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey uh, Tricky was happy to see Mrs. Pumphrey. Now, number 3. How do you describe Mrs. Pumpkin? How do you describe Mrs. Pumphrey? ऑप्शन है loving, overdoing, intelligent, rational. Here, your answer will be overdoing. Your answer will be overdoing. You can describe Mrs. Pumphrey as overdoing. Now next is, in 2 weeks she had been transformed into a lithe means होता है flexible, hard muscled animal. What is the meaning of the word lithe? Okay, तो your मीनिंग लाइथ का मीनिंग यहाँ निकालना है। देखिए फ्लेक्सिबल या ग्रेसफुल, तो इट्स मीनिंग इज ग्रेसफुल। स्टूडेंट्स, you have to do practice for these questions. It will be very helpful for you for your examination. Now number 5 is, how did the staff benefit from Mrs. Pumphrey's overdoing? Breakfast with eggs, lunch with wine, dinner with brandy, all of the above. So this is easy for you. आंसर नंबर डी, ऑल ऑफ द एबव, क्योंकि उनकी दिन की शुरुआत एग से होती थी, लंच वाइन से होता था और डे का एंड होता था ब्रांडी से। नाउ नंबर 6, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड कन्वेल्सिंग? कन्वेल्सिंग का मीनिंग क्या होता है? कंडेंसिंग, condescending, worsen, disappointing, recover. Recover is the correct meaning here. Recover means किसी भी डिजीज से किसी को जब आराम मिलता है तो उसे कन्वेल्सिंग बोलते हैं। नंबर 7 इज, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड स्क्रीमेज? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड स्क्रीमेज? स्क्रीमेज मीन fight, play, run, none of the above. So its correct answer is 5. fight it. Its correct answer. Number 8. What did the dog know about food? What did the dogs know about food? Option is last ones will be liable to have competition for the leftover food. There was no competition. It wasn't good, and it was the best part of the day. So during the explanation of this chapter, you have read that the dogs know it very clearly that if they will left behind, they will be liable to have competition for the leftover food. कि उन्हें बाकी के बचे हुए फूड के लिए कंपटीशन करना पड़ेगा, ये चीज़ डॉग अच्छी तरह से जानते थे. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट हियर. नाउ number 9. How many days he was given no food? How many days he was given no food? Its answer is 2. As you have read in the chapter that a couple of days the doctor didn't feed him anything. So option number B is correct here. Now question number 10. What was best according to the vet? What was best according to the vet? What was best according to the vet? To take him to the hospital, to take him for a walk, to let him have sugar, both B and C. To take him to the hospital. Option number A is correct. To take him to the hospital. Now question number 11. What is the meaning of distraught? Distraught. What is the meaning of distraught? Option number A, bend. Option B, worried. Option C, upset. Option D, both C and B and C. Worried and upset. So distraught means worried and upset. So option number D is correct here. Now question number 12. What did the doctor advise? What did the doctor advise? Doctor advised cut his food, give him more exercise, give him on a very strict diet, all of the above. So option number D is correct here. क्योंकि डॉक्टर मिसेस पम्फ्री को फूड भी कंट्रोल करने के लिए बोला था, एक्सरसाइज कराने के लिए भी बोला था, और उसको डाइट भी स्ट्रिक्ट देने के लिए बोला था. सो हियर ऑप्शन नंबर D is correct here. Now number 13. Who is Hodgkin? हॉटगिन कौन है? डॉग ओनर है कि गार्डनर है या वेटरनरी सर्जन है या डॉग है? यू हैव टू रिमेंबर हियर हॉटगिन इज अ गार्डनर. एज इन द चैप्टर यू हैव read that when the doctor himself went to bring the dog Tricky as the gardener was on holiday. So option number B, gardener, is correct answer here. Now number 14. What problem does Mrs. Pumphrey think Tricky has? What problem does Mrs. Pumphrey think Tricky has? Diarrhea, malnutrition, allergies, all of the above. Malnutrition. Malnutrition is a correct option here. Malnutrition is correct option here. Now number 15. Who does I refer to in the story? Who does I refer to in the story? Tricky, Mrs. Pumphrey, veterinary surgeon, none of the above. So in this chapter the narrator is Mr. Harriet, who is a veterinary surgeon. So option number C will be correct here. Now question number 16. What was Tricky's main fault? ट्रिकी का मेन फॉल्ट क्या है? पैटनेस, इनएक्टिविटी, लेजीनेस या ग्रीड? तो व्हाट इज द ट्रिकीज मेन फॉल्ट? योर आंसर इज ग्रीड। बताए थे कितना भी वो बीमार रहता है खाने से पीछे नहीं हटता था, तो ग्रीड उसकी सबसे बड़ी एक फॉल्ट थी। अब मिसेस पंफ्री वाज अ वेरी माइजर पुअर क्रूअल रिच लेडी। तो ये तो बहुत ही आसान है, आप तुरंत लगा देंगे रिच लेडी। नाउ नंबर 18. What did Mrs. Pumphrey think her dog is suffering from? Fever, malnutrition, stomach pain, foot sore. Malnutrition is the correct answer here. Malnutrition. Now, number 19. I think I know a cure for you. Who is I? I think I know a cure for you. Who is I? Mrs. Pumphrey, Mrs. Pumphrey's husband, Mr. Harriet, और मिसेस पम्फ्री सर्वेंट। तो जहाँ पर भी आई करके मैक्सिमम आया हुआ है, ये सारी जगह पे जो नरेटर है वो मिस्टर हैरियट हैं, जो वेटरनरी सर्जन है। नाउ नंबर 20. व्हाट इज द डॉक्टर गिव ट्रिकी एट हिज क्लिनिक? डॉक्टर गिव ट्रिकी एट हिज क्लिनिक main injections, medicine, no food for 2 days, only milk and chocolate. तो option number C is correct here. At the surgery at the hospital, doctor didn't give him food for 2 days. Now question number 21. Where did Mr. Harriet trick him? Where did Mr. Harriet trick him? To his clinic, to Mrs. Pumphrey's house, to a public hospital for vet. Now your answer is to his clinic. To his clinic is answer here. Now question number 22. How did he look? Very thin, like a blood-red sausage, very smart, ready to film. Like a bloated sauce की तरह उसका ही प्रतीत होता था। Now, who was Mrs. Pumphrey worried about? Mrs. Pumphrey was worried about her dog Tricky. Her dog Tricky is correct answer. Now we have this is the answers for the given question, students. Here everyone who have read this chapter, this is clear to all of them that she loves too much with her dog, so her dog Tricky is correct option here.